फातोड्डा पुलीस स्थानकाचे उद्घाटन जाता थंयच आसा। शेनवारा ॲडव्होकेट आयरिश रॉड्रिगिशान नगर नियोजन मंत्री विजय सरदेसाय आड पुलिशेंत कागाळ नोंद केल्या। आयडीसी प्लॉट प्रकरणात ॲडव्होकेट रॉड्रिगिशान फातोड्डा पुलिशेन कागाळ ही नोंद केल्या। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
It is just a coincidence that on the inauguration of the Fathoda police station today, I was constrained to file a complaint against the local MLA and others for having committed cognizable offences under the Indian Penal Code and the Prevention of Corruption Act. I have, along with my complaint today, given to the Fathoda police a copy of the CD of the conversation between Vijay Sardesai and Kashinath Shetty. The contents of that video are very serious. In fact, I have given to the police also a detailed verbatim of the conversation. And in that conversation, the local MLA Vijay Sardesai tries to pressurize Kashinath Shetty to withdraw the petition that he had filed before the Honorable High Court. And more surprisingly, in that video, Kashinath Shetty makes a direct allegation that Manohar Parrikar had offered him 1,25 lakhs. So all this has to be proved. I've given a detailed complaint to the in charge of the police station, and I hope the complaint is registered as an FIR and investigation is conducted in accordance with law. And in case they act as caged parrots, which I have requested them not to, I would have to move the appropriate court for appropriate action. If this government speaks about zero tolerance to corruption, this initiative has to be from the very doorstep. The allegations in the video are very serious. The video has gone viral, so the entire copy of the video plus the transcript in verbatim has been placed before the Fathoda police.